This video will explain how to log into your miniPCR digital account using either the magic link or password-based login options. To log in, go to digital.minipcr.com and click the Sign In button in the top right corner of the homepage. Magic Link allows you to log into your account using just your email and without using a password. To use Magic Link to sign in, enter your email address and click Send Sign In link. Using the same browser or device, navigate to your email inbox. You should receive a Magic Link email from miniPCR Digital with a sign-in button. If you do not see your email within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. After clicking the sign-in button, you'll be returned to your teacher or student dashboard on miniPCR Digital. To sign in with a password, click the Sign In with Password button on the sign-in page. This will take you to a screen where you can enter your email address and password to log in. If you have not yet set up your password or have forgotten your password, you can reset it from the sign-in screen. First, click the Sign In with Password button. Click the Forgot Your Password link to trigger the password reset email. Navigate to your inbox and click the link in the password reset email. If you do not receive your email within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. Create a new password, then click Save. You have now set up your password and can use it going forward to log in. Press the Continue button to return to miniPCR Digital, where you can use your new password to sign in. You can log out of your miniPCR Digital account by navigating to the Profile tab on your dashboard and clicking the Sign Out button at the bottom of that page.